ana snap eti senka odi afna na kasa wi ana de snap odi kusua nso ayede asa ka ho Sir John the weni muntia o Sir John the ruling New Patriotic Party a center right party liberal conservatives na omo de ne se omo believe se ankrankra nwuma enkoso ankrankra nwuma enkoso memetwe me a capitalist obi anim say me a capitalist I believe say e was say ankrankra nwuma no ekoso Sir John baby a yaduro no he okọ China sisia China was purely a communist state and China is such a nyemum kakra Emma say ankrankra nwuma no China pushi Saudi Arabia the same thing Russia deliberately Russia etimi empower omwan kasa citizens no mo benya sika etu we bit say Roman Abramovich Russian government na deliberate policy Roman Abramovich abenya sika no investment na investment no nya Russian kwa obey no other countries so they say ba bia ewiase kono wo empower individuals na say private sector no a woman no ensusu timi create jobs for the people na say uba na say private sector ni esu omusu a
eguno
so that unim ene IMF conditionalities inti you say aban ya press cap aban timi mfa adwumayefo to say essential services to say be a nurses no crowns say no akoye boachi bidi because yenim nurses o mawie nursing schools a yentimi the training colleges a yemfa wo mo seka private sector no ye adwuma yi a and I say omo survive no omo di ya what will happen then is that IMF conditionalities here be the private sector will fill the gap so they say no ma fa nipa na ban ensem wa eden ahen han no Sir John Africa ha and for that matter Ghana ade bako pa edi enya a emboa yen any political infiltration dem be say me kire ne say eba ne say state owned enterprises be ebre enti ye dey ma politically exposed person ehwa ne guye NDC time egui NDC time ye hunsa ne mani bi some of the state owned enterprises I dey ton di ye ton ma omo ho enei akosi sen MPP man sua bibia amoso mo ye sa de ni bi o Sir John me say I can bet with my last coin say sa hotel si makacho say Brian Champo ye me amabusia pani Brian mabusia pani enyanchen but I don't support this because the mimi hu ne say dan kwa ma bi say MPP ni ho na say NDC eba because of say those hotels ya turn their ma Brian Champion company and a brand na ehwe so ntino whether you like it or not they will go after those hotels whether you like it or not the NDC government will make sure say hotel no ebebre because it is in the hands of an MPP person iti ebasa no a workers wo ho okay ma traffic catcher say there are certain hotels currently NDC for be there any contract mu nya bi GRA so mu go am so ani BCD so mu go am so ani so they say omo bre that is the game because MPP time no apino so jeje time no go no political victimization no enya ade Ghana ye democracy na ye se ye nyini no eno ye nyini wom because ye nyene say oh say nipa no wo ho a na so wa bi adwuma even though say onya me party member de neso so long as we be adwuma ma Ghana for ye no me kura ma ban me ho be hen ha me so I will not target him so they say but you better target him NDC onya MPP ni a ode be wo no MPP nya NDC ni a ode be wo no two political parties no that is what they are doing that game no it me support the idea say idea ye public idea no na state idea no ye be ma a private person or ye politically exposed it just says hotels no say ne
omotonda o
me see enne I say abeto dwa say ye nim nipa auto hotels no say and then people no na say ndis ni ho a those hotels no will struggle to survive. They will struggle to survive. They will are you telling me say Rock City say ndis about power on Rock City they will struggle
enti chinchine
that is it.
I want see the ma omo
the chinchine will go after those so no drown now so they are not thinking about nipa ye adwuma ho the fact that nipa no ye adwuma ho me ma ban masuma adwuma the thinking is that say ma wo drown now so ubenya sika so they are say now their financial party now party no so abeyi ye party na e aban no afri ho that's the thinking so they are say it yes na do dan kwaku fo ado yes no me I am not against the diversity. I'm not against it. Name no omfamo powerful. Obi neutral. If that is what they want to do, omfamo obi neutral. Any abrofo kura enko fa no omfamo manage.
Omfamo abrofo.
Yes. No manage. Omfamo neutral person.
Why can't you do it as?
No, because say what the man MPP near NDC ni ba or be go after him.
So why can't government because say okay media media so media let me handle it myself na me nyani better we see the point is they will
no matter which political party comes to power once they are bind there no say ko share in the private person being someone or you politically exposed so we or MPP ni we NDC ni so the party any power that particular entity will come under constant attack. Because I know nipa na oho na ye adwuma oho no. Omo na bebre because 2000 ba omo no ni o masefo e na bebre.
2003. Ghana had in komo in front of the Public Accounts Committee. Ye din komo ha. Say ye the companies be ama private sector and a private investor. Now so benya de amayania 2003 yanko sha sika was eba document was say a support the agreement no ye hwehwe yenhu meanwhile ye the committee asi was omo na nhwe committee ampani go for bae na wo ho o shemu kina oton bi ema ho asem bai du ba bi na kwaku agimamanu see the company so akwa involved in one of them a court yantin one sem bio 2003 the na from mampani that run is the year enter into 2001 mampani ko the ono so bai near pe documents ye busa say company we e ko hwan ho hwan de ye hwan nya we ye because a politician is involved. Sikano Krana Ghana, the time Ghana lose about 8 million Ghana cedis that time. 8 million cedis. Na Sikano ma. And ne Evans, when I bind the 60% ye kan once me. Ye ni abrenwa ye kan. We have some of them government there 10%, 20%, 30%. And also near a politician. Tell me how many private independent people are bum some of how many of them? Unless one crown Triesica a political party, unless one or finance political party be campaign and sign the amano. John Oba or a politician near targeting said they're working because me MPP ni and I'm there an investor our financing me campaign and they Evans Kromha business owners who Kromha do na or finance MPP campaign 2016 and the agenda is that the economy is not financing the other party and young cripple woman
Sane kono.
Jan cripple woman. They suffer.
Say John, yan kan okrenche damfo. Dey tell me say after 8 years biano because here from 1992 till a year 2024 ɛyɛ yɛwɔ aban biara ba na party biara ba oko 8 years this time around no the two major political parties no biara present ɔno nso betumi a break 8 so I say that 8-year cycle no MPP hwɛ sɛ obetumi a break NDC so hwɛ sɛ obi make history as the first political party the leader of the party no and the flag bearer no he was once a vice president became a president was say be say obisabe de obese osabedi omani so bio it is almost so timi nya saa de no a oba make history MPP so timi e cross 8 na mo break 8 na so make history na de tie nie 8-year cycle bia no there's a change of government so they say there's a change of government enti say if all things being equal na de yehu from 92 ebesi samre no say saa na ebe kɔ ne de a businessman no any investors no omo geji would there be political party we say no stand a chance of winning the elections no ma started the omo resource here then ko sa no bi aye there are even some people bi a omo ewo obeti anya nkofo bi omo aban yi mu omo nyi omo anim a bi omo so businesses bi on he da bi se me so manko boa kakra so they say anhwe a na ya target me eno no ya no mu nyomo nyese bi a yen target okra o but at least your target na kakra bi beka because we nya panyi bi a ne tie yi na say the other political party no nipa na obo ano no okunya influential position na no so aka champion for say there bi ewum say owo position there na so ye no boy kakra so they say we there me target ni nyina ye nya kakra ma no so ho na no so o ma ye ne sa so they say and say John me mubudi na so wan kasa wo de wani famu a wo be hu nkrofo a omo no na ban ne kura no e wo power na ban ne kura ko position a on time ko position sa so that those people omo play omo ka see of so that say oboa ha no aboa ha omo taye nemo no ba bia na cash kese pa ni free ba no e the business community no it is a oye we kakra na fi wo say there be ha say no that's a boa no a ni ma besesa no ma start here dey e push results no ko it e basa no a the party in power no so otimi identify omo say hey nkrofo we say mo ye omo start the resource ko ha no so start target omo trying to cripple their business even etimi quite to the extent say stations are ebia the party in power no hu ne say oh omo nchada nka bi mame no omo timi quite to the extent say companies are ebi omo sponsorships echo those stations who no kra no yen woni omo yen tata omo don't come say hey na say oh Jessica so you see the way I politics so that's here and na magana yintimi nkoye nim no
yebre
and nan say yakobo ball mali na manfo asta take asa hey she mali park she sa a digital advertising board ye de okoba ba yara enua ne siwo ene de ade abobo so but okomalia a digital advertising board kama pa me no ka say go yenya sports de na so the whole Ghana stadium ba ko pen FIFA agi atum ene baba yara se ne baba yara ka say baba sifa ka say ni bufu no ka say baba yara mo sa mo bobi a this ye komali
enzo amo CEO a owo sports authority
so that's here atis ye komali
CEO owo sports authority wanko wanko primaries wanko seska we try to cabo so me say
so that's here you see the way
when
you no but say John woni mi bi me enu na me kan ba bi say problem ni fa kese no ya fa mo delegates say John ya fa mo delegates me say nipa omu diga na broker kese pa no e delegates do you know why because within the party me say ubenya obi wo MPP ubenya nkrofo wo MPP NDC a omu wo good message omu wo good vision omu akoma pa
so omu nya nkrofo
yes
omu nya nkrofo ya trouble man no
eti the highest bidder nipa na ono no wo sika no na de ade na ma no no for Christmas wo delegate nipa na wo di to me ne ma no wako geno 110,000 Ghana cedis and ade to me na ma no say wo de faka what did 15,000 cedis wo di to me na ma so wo de faka wo busa ba bi o be wako bobesia and wo de be ya ade no o ba me faka ne sa wako bobesia be ya ade no so they say baby okobo obesia ba e de be ya ade no so interest e den e ka ho
to
obetini nyina and 4 years no so ode beti sadeɛ no eti wɔntini nyina nwie no wonya development ɛwɔ okrom wonya development ɛwɔ okrom na mmom na ɔba no so da bi okay ade a yɛhwɛ ɛyɛ abcd me sɛ owɔ community bi na sɛ development nkɔso wɔ hɔ a o delegates na wɔ hɔ no busa no
Evans ya da se entry
Media no pay common
Miraho pa. Miraho Evans Miraho pa watade nso efe omo se me nka kiro say what's the same what pam say 4 and 5 wiki dia wo je mono wo hye mono nkum
political leaders na as parties no say ana ye timemufo no ye jais ye take and trench position say ye dia heya na ebegina
ani wo heya
na ebegina ye beboa ma mpuntu aba because nka nipa no ba ye ebia 4 years wa anya hwe onum se beto atia no but na ye onum so ha de miami diem menya wie primaries a or tablis kan de akoma nkofo bi no wi ni primaries no de abegi to me no oba nso a onye hwe endi saa suba ne de in fact say don say until say ye be se sasa ye adwen no timamufu a ye to aba ye be se sasa adwen
ye de bia ma paint no ye nya bi saa nti ye ya
friends by election na me am ni ko din ko was ha kra de bo kra be gina ne de NPP kra
o se adwe kra bom
saa suban no say don say ye nya ya politicians no be koso afa ye se nwa na ye da ho aye bre omu mia ye fe ne yesu kusi yesu
minim politicians be 5 bia omu adwen foforo omu qualified to be okay omu ye business people la omu aye omu adwuma they know how and when to do what womu nimu de but unim yes sa kwa we de si adne ko esiwa se password this kababa boa campaign onwia bi mpo no de bi aba nti ye mfa ma no because okwa oma party bi nti say nipa na edne call state owned enterprise na so onko hwe na nko nanimu no okọ no yede adwuria sentim se be ma wo kọ no kope sika fa be boa party ya nka se ko boa ma company ni enyira na so oboa ye kan ya no kwa but yes be ma ukoi busumi bia no pebe 50,000 beto party be it MPP be it NDC sa ja okwa sika no ja onse mo
party for won che hoho se don won che uni afi eno ana ema ebrei abusafo ye ni nkomo kakra no pe na ye mfa na se PSC emanyumaku onom na rahuruma na no pe ye ti ba bia ye di nkomo yi na pomude de hia pa eno nti ye ka se bomoden na fo ni kire Providence eke na kwaje adahwe na wonom emo a omo mfidi ahodo omo de boa aye nhwehwemu ewo nipadua nim akwa bia eno wudi akon na yade bia no wudi akon abrabo mu no omo mfidi ahodo de ye nhwehwemu ewo nipadua na fei omo tumi aboa wo na wo so tumi agya na se ewo apomuden ekwan so na ne ye ka se wonom the free health screening baso nyame ya atomo a won betumi ahwe ojunso ni mu yade bia wom o mehwem kwa e de amaw afei so hepatitis B no on be free screening ewo ho afei free consultation free physio enso eka ho bia we nyame ya atomo a July bosum de dikai kosi ni de toso nsia ena wonom ye eye Providence ye wonom bom ho moden pa acha bosumi bia wonom eye free screening e de mo manfo na okwa we untua kapreba omo ye ni nyina free e de amaw na enu a wo behia no omo de kakra bi na odi agi wadro na akọ baby tisha ne nso se nyame atomo a bosumi ye de anim ya nde dikan kosi ne toso nsia eye free screening ena ekoso ewo ye Providence eke won maso ye ewo asanwase wo mo ne St. Teresa Catholic Church no ene di enhwenu Roma sorry dai wo hono mo a udru ho a wo mbeboa ye ka se efi anopa no nso kosi anwumre se nipa otwa to obefiri ho no omo ye adwuma nti bo moden na frɛ won ne kɔ na omo mo na yaresa enso entumi enkoso number no a obetumi afrɛ won eye 0248422864 0248422864 and 0506830210 0506 830210 for Providence na wonum angels susan so wapom de ho nsem de ehia won pa na 3p garlic mixture no eyeduru wodwa so a eboa eye garlic ene ya twim nsuo no ene de aye wonim se ne garlic no esitie eboa pa emanipadua no ejira ne nan so ahoɔden mapa ene de be hye nipadua no si ya mabew enunti yetufu se wudidi kura na afa garlic no ewurawuram fatwitwa bi fagugu so na wo we na eboa ama mogya no atumi adi efusan ye no bi wo ha so odi garlic ne saa no emoa no ontumi ni enunti ena ye piwak natural edisa 3p garlic mixture abedwa so watwe garlic no mu ensuo no na odi egutuo mu a eden unya bi no mu abeboa we flower bi anim natural na eboa ma immune system no atumi agyan na so afa emma abosome so a na yawo ye chimamu yawo no ebe ye firi ho ediama afa obi a wo high blood pressure yesu moja no abro so nye moja na abro so na momenti ni mu asisi efia ba ntinim ama moja ni ntumi ndi efusan ye nkwa adwenim ebasa na di stroke yade nenam tika so benya 3p ni bi no anonom na boa na fei ananse ta chichechi wo basa no ebeyi firi ho umu aye duru amana broso no nso ebeyi ede firi ho ama asma yade ntiti wa yade no nso etuase ede ama stroke yade no esansa wonum na moja no emu etumi ade efusa ye na ntiri mu ada ho no na moja na akwa adwini mu aye adwuma fa nipadua na akwa bia nti no ede ahoden soronko na ebrewo a wo a enjodwe yade na chew no wo be sori agina na asusi ya kremem premium na wa boadwuma papa na obi onso a na emframa agina ne yemu a eboa wo pa eye 3p garlic mixture ewo dwaso kope bi to wo ko herbal shops nyina any pharmacy shop am nsa betumi akabi piwak natural ensa no adwuma number no eye 0248 928824 0248928824 and 0201 000021 0201 ofra piwak becho so na wonso wenye dro bi atu akwakoton ye topa antikotu bi kra na ekoton na afeyemu amane se asase bi ededwo so ene afijase kwantempɔ no finfinya ECOWAS pap nkyɛn hɔ ɛna asase ɛda ɛho nkatasɛm deɛ edimu na mfumso bia eni ho a ukɔtɔ a unya problem bia 90 years lease na da so na kai sɛ ɛyɛ asase a ɛho dwo ubetumi de asi apartment de amahan school dan anaasɛ asɔre dan factory ana filling station baabi ɛda na da kwan ho pa nti dwuma ahodo a yɛbɔ bɔso wodi yemu bia ɛbɛboa wo ɛboa no so deɛ fofolafo bɔmɔde ne frɛ number yi na ne mpanyimfo ni ho nkɔmɔ 0557 46 7722 0557 46 7722 and 0244 271182 0244 271182 frɛ na onim mpanyimfo eni saa nkɔmɔ yi na Matade Hospital was Santase behind Goy filling station no wonom eboa ye papa muden die ehwa na ye no general OPD cases no wonom hwe honom uti na ye oya ye funu ye oya ope akodi ahwe asa bafia oye ho adwuma se eye surgery nso otu ho na mo pa honom a afei maternity care se emma wonom ekọ eye awoyenom ne ho anamutuo ni ade nyina no ohwe ho enkora ayarehwe nso ekoso afei ENT clinic nso wo honom a mo pese mo ye breast screening no nso ho oye ho adwuma eni eya de nso oye ho adwuma ho scan laboratory na afei nso eye ambulance service wo ho eye cervical care nso wo honom a chronic care nso oye ho adwuma 24 standby generator ho a chese yedum kania na negina na so omo special ward de man koda ne mpanimfo nyina na doctor fo ne nurse fo ne adwumafo ho nom de wonom anim tepa de bia me kase se de kra no du ayansa bia na yade na doctor fo tumi sirechrew nurse fo tumi sirechrew ye ntiantian ye nyo hey bia eboa kra ma ho to ntem na eho eye Matade hospital ho de udru a o mesirechrew e don kwa ya resem wonu dom na so pa so machira kwan e was Santase runabout honum behind Goy filling station no bomodin ne frɛ wonom e wo number is 0244 088918 0244 088918 and 0244 691759 0244 691759 wono so apomuden de ehia pa na Sir
Bill's microcredit
Bill's microcredit
minimpa
wonom eboa pa
obi di ho adanse
mfinhia dunu
o say Sir John what can say quick credits abeye bills micro credits na me call ho
we dia dance
media dance say is it crowd almost process now mu go through no aye very fast yes nti enye di ni keke ne mum kra no system om de adwuma no o ma pijem
je hia no Ghana card
eno ano no
Ghana card
nti a bills micro credit
na ko wani
eno ano no
sika bia o pe bia
bills so bills bills so bills
na ho ni hia
debi
na ho ni kom
debi
entra ho nsu
hurry up
say wo hia sika na wo nya
hurry up
bills micro credit
hurry up
na coffee
yes
coffee organic tiger nut powder
enra mamenka we me call ayiha Metro Municipal Health Director Askwaya. Mamentia
chief
yes, mamentia chief. Chief mamentia. Chief aba.
Oba nyame ntumi mana kwa.
Chief aba, chief good morning. Na the ten say mene chief kushia wo eho Metro Municipal Health Director.
Okay.
Health director no. No yes so baba check sugar level ne ade amame na check nti see no o say nkosoa na fa coffee no
so check bia kama
me nkosoa me fa coffee no enye me sugar na coffee no me sugar I am good to go nti am pay I can tell you in fact chief akwana say jima good morning
enti na asesa wi
chief me on say pay me ebugu ade ma me
enti na asesa wi ebusuafo
chief say ono so ehia bi
yo ye be kwa command
chief ye be bro bi
ye be kwa command
chief akona say jima no pema me nchao o say ohia bi na me say on say John mati say mo kan wa say mpa etimi sugar adwuma na me say bi sugar bi eye coffee ebusuafo eye anuane nura wo dwa so se ne say jo di ho adan de bia me kan wo fia say ono de ono o segu nanu no o we ne say gale no enti na ho ode no enye me nwanwa so okọ ye a ni sugar ye se ba bia wo no kama pa oni pressure ni asem oni overweight ni asem eno a na kukufa de bia ode besi ha odina so de kasa ema ye tiefo eye pa eye yama me responsibility we duty the task kase pa na ahye mensa
etojewa
se memfa nkumra etojewa no me mai me dia nkum so me ne dia ne we
enti abusuafo abuti anope coffee ni bi nennom we o kan se Tom Brown no wo di gu cup mu a nsuo de na de guso na waka numu a na watete adi open so akoko no asagum na wo di ni sa eboa ma digestion contem afi nso blood pressure no sugar no so manage ni se ne asejo eken afi weight ni so ma no a mo pese mo hyehyɛ kama na weight ni ye kama shape ni ba kama no eye coffee na beboa kopa bi na di na mo a na enyi srade ni nyina mfifi ntwa na wo shape ase wo gira ase wachi ase watene ase dabi coffee ni na ye na fe mema no so amaye mre wompem se John and the bonus men kan wase mpi se John nya kan de eno de otilo ene ekono na ema mo manufo ana se oba wafafuro we eyema obia tumi dibi enti ehia pa okọ eye premium nutritional limited wonsa ebetumi akabi poku trading wonsa betumi akabi Freddy Mensa ba wonsa betumi akabi Wisdom Mamachi supermarket ewo Tech Junction wonsa betumi akabi
right
number near 0200 777277
okay
0200777277 0505 8862
good
na
good
so don the tractor ne abranche bi di no ma bi abefia ya kan no ma ne da ho agu ha pragia driver bi oboa ye na no o kire se ofa nipa bi free KO e de ne ba asafo moonlight e na MTN router e na eye reading books bi ka ho o de abeja wo fia sinti e bo amane e bi alpha pragia bi free eye KO e de ne ba asafo moonlight eye ahemfie ho no mpe a e na ro fi sa no mai a o de hye na boa ye o de abefie ha bo mode ne bra be kire se ne nyoma ne sitie onsa betumi aka nti enyerai ebe di fie ha ya
right me da semini abako develop so na adubofo na oko education director wo afija kwabre no fa culture ono na in charge everything omo event na programs nya and pose otie na yes o tutie yen waba kuma ase o town ma otie yen Jani nyina otie bi wo so obi wo ha wo kye no amene wo kye no asom na ahye no ɛna to ayi banti ma me nkyɛ me ni opem so na adubofo
yes but answer na me ye no yemmo number no na yenuanom
yes number no is 0539199968 0539199968 ubetimi edo voice note edi aba na opimsona na so ochia ne yere Bridget Abedi or any Mr. Fusuomo or administrator of medical school Konfanochi ochia no ntima mentwa momra why
quickly over my new road no so
yes
the last time me can akuniasa de no why
yeah why any there
light no
why ti aka ho ade
aka me boss
kwame nchi
e free nso na chi wo ko no
ne kwame nchi
after gas filling station e ho ko no nso e ho de ni sumo ho na baby ye wo bus stop bi ho ye se enu abranti bi fra o si on 3 occasions o ma attack amanfo
ho is a sumo ho
sum Adiza bus stop
okay
say sa shop bi o ma bo asi ho no omo nko hwe se nipa no nyusu omo tutu mfiri ho
Abraham kwame nchi MC lawyer MC wo for
me boss no
they say
ono e unia obey
unia kwana za jima de
attack na du obey
ono udi agro obey why did you
won hwe no nko fan kane na bi mbo maye
chiva kwana za obey ne de tentem
say John
yes
sir 2 MCs we there are others
yes
but catchment
had omo de me
very proactive yeah me say MC ba ko ade bia me de me say you see yeah now I feel so proud say me wo aso ye come here ye wo aso kwa because on that
Debbie.
What can ya?
No, 24/7.
Ona.
Na fidie. Na no ka tell me say John. So, I was say mo say no, ye can comment from listeners. Mo ya award am dem dik. Only chroma cross so share on Facebook live because you can't
all inclusive government here adwuma and can fa one aban a e power.
Also
totna ho. One CID money ye fe say ofori krom na the others also omutimi.
Abusia ye twa ya ho abaye ba ebedi nkomo na yatoa nkomodie no Zuba aba ye hwe na yatoa ye nkomo no so no pay just stick and stay just a minute
rise and shine it's another day to stay on point toast is spread it's still on point watch is spread it all day long still on point yes it's still on point it's still on point watch is spread it's still on point for your bread it's still on point for your toast it's still on point it's yummy delicious it's still on point yes it's still on point it's still on point yes it's still on point it's still on point for your toast it's still on point it's still on point fortune spread it's yummy delicious it's still on point
Fortune spread delicious creamy and always on point. This advert is FDA approved.
Obien to Mrika Emra bills was here. If you say, Asumja wunya wayem bosia bon sheshe hodie. Edu chum obi bia woye. Any to make dear biara woody. Bills will be bimao. Won here susu. Won here awa. Nanya won here no national ID card. Ain't it to Mrika na freyen was 0302 200390. And 0596 920 833. Kai say on Mansika Krobia Batan, Bank of Ghana and Sawo Bills microcredits Jumediemu. Bills Uposia Bohon Adamfo. Kai say Jumedie in Shishaka Crown.
Okay, abusia ma yentwa so na yemfa voice note aba no pay. Enji, ma yemfa voice note aba yewia Zuba Erem ye share ni say Jimmy Boachi and Sababe Ken sana no pay nyina ya toa so. Na yedi nkomodia for my Ghana ho. Ma yintie voice note aba.
Yeah, brother, good morning. Opeyina some American and the payday. Oya titio. Ya chomaim nene in box site. What's what Dama Ibrahim mama. Yenti bida. Ewa Ghana kruimu. Yenti bida. Ya ken abayin OTDC siare be o se dabi onfa manyin pakol. Mo onfa manager padi. Oji finise. in that the manager party the same abana and Crawford wa Phoebe. Masha, Morocco do a man in woman you.
Good morning. It was morning. I'm here, dear. Papa no fire who be I call cry I'm gonna go 15 years. We see our guy. Sergio, Massa more hamu na more kaja pabu kuna kamu the Ghana ya tony team. Okay, Casacra here. There's also we say we in Casso. Tao no barrier. The other people when him no, and not the people true. Would be tree when him. And all the people will tell him no. And watching how the paper would true. Tis anity, the Omu be may say or my Yatoni team. No one say a man for the Jimmy. In Yansaga Crabby, you want in Mussuni to be a bay, yes, and the credit to Amo. I'll kill so I agree. Eben also is a pistia. Then I won't cassa. The one see a trauma war. Never so among the Egiminti. The other can be so. Second riding cow. No more.
Sejon, good morning. Uncle Sam, Gas Road, Kentin Kono. Sejon, we freakers in paying footy pa, in in paying for a crew. Set some mekan. Zama observe no one America chew. Aye, MPP assembly, you who can get, but NDC on Sedam. Another, whooping Mamina Ojina in Shasu, a MPino, or read more hunting, or there may be bobbing there, we mamma party be. As soon on Sedam. As a neutral person, you should be a neutral person, said some mekanasi. Or the may be being a Nagin be every day, any day, every son on to them. Fine, our party a domesy, but although a secret, Manayan, said some mecano. Inti, Mameno, Mausev, won't make a joint in portray and assistant them, any channel in a house, Medasi.
Good morning. It was morning. I'm here, dear. Papa no fire who be I call cry I'm gonna go.
Sejon, good morning. Uncle Sam, Gas Road, Kentin Kono. Sejon, we freakers in paying footy pa, in paying for a crew. Set some mekan. Zama.
Good morning, Sir John. If I'm going to cast a Fred Joseph Pramasi, Yakupon Shrow, and the Wakasa papa. And the one Mr. President, I had the Yamishra pa. Sir John, me say we are okay, and yet you are so far sompone be do atemu. And yet the bia no be Bobby, obi we be Kakramano, and the Becca said here, me say we are okay. The workers one two, the workers one near Marco Nam traffic in the be do atem. Oka come because the Marco school flee. What is an be Holland? Our yet toilet so paper toilet so a catcher will say Holland passport. And so on for so will be PhD out of Ghana has. When it does say obey USS, Obani USS, Nebima Ben or Obani USS, when you scout one or so. And a mamma crying now about the buffy, and your May USS, a young fake so obey you school. No tiffy, and I will say Breveno. And I'm more crying him. And also, you would the yam cry, you cry, Untimin what the yam cry flew, be cry, Untimin Cassa, empty and for the Moyen and yet, and I be well friendly background and Sandika Kramana, Untimin fle. I know mine crying now be goofy na Danny Draga the tiny hookups. Uko comes in and another Nama and Klana Koyesa. Then crying by Fina Jimmy when I'm a mini skirt the better almost on Omonia Dane. A common coom. Now, Modia Moment peeping in this Nina with the ensign more Mumpuntu. Yet the country will send an aquam be dear Cocheda, or your bedroom Montua Baneman is in your politician be here that. No merely do a mine, not to turn near my city of Burkina and near Mercoino. Yes, Regana for moment peeping in this Nosun Chakakla.
Sir John, but good morning. So the Evans Aircam, Air Dana of Biawa Ben, Okoto, or manager Paddy. Would you pass NDC bar? Ubeyahoto, Unya, into Munyai, Overcow. So I'm sorry, Mediano. When you communicate with us, I will defend it. We may Jana Manakato, Mejano, no, I can't, no, I told it. Not told it. I don't want to almost so much praga for too much. Oh, my head. Or much you, papa.
Okay, okay, all right. So we have for my aunt Twasona. Evans, yeah, in fact,
yes,
and then
yes.
comment Ebano.
I said,
one was what had never
yes,
for the first time in about 2 years.
That's it.
watadia
nyame ahye ne ho ni mo
yes nti
so dey say
but me ya na me say nyame adom na bibia nsia beto atade we ne original material and original na me to
nadia mame
me ameto ma she
woni bibi ade me de ne say me ma be yesusu duade ama o so dey say wo hwe me so
akotobia
original mpo ahye
yeah
me de ehye me no say original say fiku de me ankasa me dida wo mi
de
ma me dida wo mi mu ne say wahwe me so ekoyi bibi so dey say na say ne yekono saa na be kono be hwe me so da
okay
na odi ayi bibi
ya de nyame ase
Sajon
nyame ayo yi
ma menchi abas no redeem
yeah
ai ma menchi abas no redeem osro ebekasa onyomtofo no si minya me bekasa na enkunimdie so ewo brachi so ti ase
yeah
Sajon ade aye ka no se uye ni pebia Sajon I mean choose me words very carefully ye nim penifo na edi nkomo but you say
uncle T uncle T also penifo ye nim sem penifo T
yeah
ya juma de no ye nyama
na say
class 1 or by some graduate school
ade ye nim sem penifo T ade shemi kran pa o media general Akoma FM that 11th day of June last week Yinyan ntie say His Excellency the Vice President was listening to us.
Aye. Yeah.
So they say. And we also know for a fact say His Excellency the former President Bekrum ha Akoma nuti and oha. So they say we be drew airport to pay no ti ni so mfanto
Akoma na mintie.
Ni nyina ne say aha no asem no ye nye katasumo mu aso. So they say ye be ka no kre natural. Me say politicians need ti yen. Ena omo tutu omo niema yie ena omo nhye political goggles ena omo tie asem na ye kan the substance in asem na ye kan wa anka bebo omo
anopanya ne ebo mpanimfo bidin ebo omo baso okrum
bebo omo de de ndi omo nte
nya ne ebo bidin bo omo baso okrum
ebe ndi omo nte obi anka ene di omo
se omo ye adwuma pa emo omo baso
ene di omo nte ene di omo nte ene di omo nte
enti
but you see bibia tru no be discourage here
Debi
yes so afenemu ye wo fia yes so afenemu say ye be som oman Ghana ne titulu na santeman so that say ye be som ote kokko so
ye ba ha no
so that say ote kokko so
Evans
tumfo nyamekase ye be som no
ye fa wodwuma no o krate de ma no ye anka se be ye adwuma ma party
debi
ye ga se be ye adwuma ma nipa bi
debi
ya mo bi edi se asomasi ana obentin ti o ba be ye adwuma nti hwe so be ye adwuma de ma sa nipa no
debi
enu ntina
debi
de koso wa ha ne ye adwuma ye de akokoduro ka no kore because enu ne share ye meye say ya nya o man no bebo and that's what we are supposed to do nti no ne ye no
yeah
and yet hey Evans adwuma ye company ntro memo mre o say
debi
Evans kwa mo fa so mo ye madwuma no
debi
mo mfa ha
debi
ana ye mpe
debi
enti mo nkofie
debi
ne nkofo mo mbe ye we emfamra debi nti adwuma na no eno an ye no
Sir John unim aboa nanka
ai
okay
oyowo
that's it you see openya otena fie ema enkwala we nanka no yebu nanka we for yede
oka ho bi
sani mane pese prevent
that's right
sa de no ene pese prevent
that's right
se ote kokko so kase owo menhia fikasiem se paniem poto fom pokra wo ba bia ni nkro no bia enya santimantem wankwa na ni nkro ni wo ni nkro bi obono bono east ni nkro ni bi wo oti so they say Ghana for hanya there Ghana for nyina there o system regions are about by 8 of them ni nkro wo
yeah
so they say hwe
so they beto from bia what
so they say it is a panieto from kra no oti a sebi otumfo nye nyankopon so they say eye nipa no a odi omaduadua daily day in day out omni information here then bre no so they say it I was say o man pani panie to for mu a ote na dia na eya ne say na point is no de be ka so mu na edi nipa na bro so they say but there ya dia to ye ho so say asem no say na ti bia no ye beka na fe ye yimpanifo so asutiri say omo be act on ana omo act on no de eyom jejeje na me adom a December after 4 years bia no Ghana for ekwa abato so menyi say politician bia ni so ade hunu say sisi bia makoma bi ono omo nim de ntia ya mo penisa say the party e wo abembe ko opposition o man pani ko focus bi o say ebe ye pa say o party wo power na obe prapra dan say o party go be ko opposition na title akese egu
all right Evans woncheni de ye nsoso so woncheni na nkwada bo woncheni ahwe ayom de bo Evans woncheni be no say yabo no ye de akoma pa bo woncheni da wa ubo bi da
amit bobi da
woncheni
amit bobi me bo nam ta she go pa
mo
kwada so bo akese
woncheni
ai
enju da so amo woncheni da ubo bi da mo eno no ye uye player na twetwe a ye mfa mo bi because masa David via ma mejina boss share masa minim abrante bia boy bia na ene no village ho na obi a person wo ncheni no oba ne side
so ni boss ana so
masa woni mbo bai defender one chema share so the ball ba bema wo hini kro betwa enti woncheni de enya de papa o so that is our point ye mwa ye nim kwa be fa so be sustain your state owned enterprises ye nim politician be na so wonim wo munim o but e woncheni nti ye
nim se John Made ba ko so say
Zuba
be chance so John Made ba ko so say here
yeah
both MPP and NDC because me see here for the next 10 years there and no 10 years be for the next be over 50, a century or whatever no omo be this so because other political parties no more brabia say one say PMP for no you omo your friends a temporary certificate omo they say by virtue of the electoral commission dia omo no omo be political party omo ti na to aba it is a PNC mo say say
PMP
sorry I say Hillary man say nya ne bi wo say ba unim
ye di piaka
Sir John
Evans yenye na in a minute
na chief executives no CEOs no senkebeye pa both MPP and this we free advice common family bin share omo constitution nim say we chief executive any kwan so gina for primaries
o contest any
bia omo yetu omo ka chan MPs I stand corrected and azuba me boa chief executives no state over enterprise yetu omo ka chan ministers any MPs na unim say John and say Ghana be Ghana struggle because
we adwuma na be na
yes Ghana struggle because
yes here beton near that suit aka
working well because nipa net was the chief executive this a few ones na here adwuma and I say bobo bi din say nipa net as a chief executive ono wo dwene sika na wo nya na e ba fufu sa no or dwene primaries or dwene primaries it's there be as a what here say primaries drew her chief executive that's a chief executive officer this or prayer of a state owned enterprise the sika wo dey ba mu no ehu che na MP shiki na MP shiki gidi because sika no dey ba no ehu it is NSA development so be so a ejinomo na so ejinomo so ejina chief executive no so of state owned enterprise
but I also think say NDC aya dey bi me feel say MPP ensua na yenni sa sika sem nim from free system nim open up the electoral college no on say omobi omudiem and now to aba there's no way science kasem no motivation ubetumi atua to that level and MPP to me yes had na me feel say be yisa
unim
additional if you am
you ready some common later you ready some community yeah you ready some community
and then remember about to be so
aye
sorry I say PB Jantua Dr. Ishak Brobe Dr. Samuel free
and the squad na no ni
yes since ebe ya breading come me da say Evans and afi entry ma me da ma say na ye to aso Zuba wa ha ye to aso na ni nkomo Ken
yes sir
akwaba
yenwe
bibia bokode
yesu adom ho ye na we
nyame adom
ye da yesu ase
na small boys no omo sha o
no muguso
my good friends oh me heavy I see na ye shame free baby e dey nkomo wie ya ho na be start dey free and pay a share state owned enterprises Nina Kwakoba because of Senate and Comodia ye did this time. And Samuel Kujeta Blackwa and others LED demonstration calling on government say process no discussion across unit. Gintem. Yenya Sam Comodia no cry na yen share the way forward a bit me aboa. They are sustaining on. And it's been a discussion on the table. I mean Tio na area.
Mamenda wase. Na mincha wete for. Na and Christian Service University College. Omudi won finish ya eduno 50 years of existence. Na omu ye public lecture. No matter nsafre Ghana mampenia owa hum jema enche odina hum je nbeba aba si abeto adwuma no se mampenyi bio. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Abebio. Sir,
what the Abebio can do?
Sir, Omeka Samfa Kebmamin Kebi. Amamu ewe bibi memu ne kwan a befa so a ye besum ne ahyemu kena. Be very educative. Obefa ono no su ohunu. De ohunu amanya hodo so. Ene de ye ebeboa ma ye kebe ma men kebe no etini edini
87.9 Kumasi.
You made ye beba so Christian Service University College or de no kwada so. We are no me no 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Enti mo pese mo nya su ehunu wo kwan e befa so a democracy e betimi akutamu ye. Especially beti free mpanyufo a wadi mu akoten ho no momra na President John Dramani Mahama asmo beka no enyina efa nko adwendwen mu ne yenhwe kwan a yebefa so a yebeboa ma democracy wo bibi mem ni titiru Ghana mem ha no
atimi akona nim yeah I say ntia na 2 pm
memfa Christian so emfa me small announcement binto end is for ma ene Ghana man nyina enim yen campaign
team no IO
ya pa ho
yeah we had the cryanya
ehun be here
say we na
yeah de beto yen party mano ene Ghana man nyina enim sese mpanyifo omohwe aboa ama 2024 campaign NDC ye ba aba be di hu dwuma no wo ayentutu amanetimi adim openya oda dwumade na no national campaign team no coordinator party the trade for penny yera fifi avekwete on a national campaign team coordinator or abede chief for bebre am deputy national campaign team coordinator abede chair odi kan pa Dr. Joseph Yamin or
the national organizer
NDC amanyoko no the national organizer on the first deputy campaign coordinator ono de on ebe hwe 16 regions ni nyina campaigns no so you Joseph Yamin aba hwe 16 regions ni nyina campaigns so the otoso bio ura Richard Kwasiga ngano ma sebodwani osabe deputy general secretary so ono so na second deputy campaign coordinator on na hwe parliamentary campaigns ahodo ebe koso 275 constituencies ni nyina no obehwe ama omudwumadi atimi akonkan the odi hobie ye chief binding Hamilton enka no ye deputy national organizer
Chief Bini
ono ye in charge of special operations era sameje fi kasama former manyuko no na besa kasama national campaign film no era George Parado ye national youth organizer no na besa hwe mabunu wasem campaign team no me obenfo Hannah Louisa bisi ukotei national women organizer ono so behwe ma ehun kitahudie campaign team Alhaji Cole Younger national zongo caucus coordinator and some fa zungo and some more campaign so no so ne be di anim e ma me Joyce Bawa kasama for Emma
deputy
flag bearer ono na ye campaign team no so obehwe adi omunkuta ho di menu aba Beatrice ana no so deputy spokesperson ma flag bearer ono so eka campaign team
so
Alex Segwefia ono hwe ye running mate campaign no so ono so eka ho bi James Jenny Boatin kasama ye running mate ono so ka ho bi Eric Ajay ono so kasama fo abedi eche ma ye running mate ono so ka campaign mu ebi na nipa ka ho bi ne Owura Richard Amamu Shine Gave Dr. Nasiru Isahaku Bobo Adako ene me ankasa made nyina Mary.
Okay, so I know your but the details no details no we'll add more later our discussion
NDC for nyina nhye no so say mpanyefo we never behwe ye campaign so omo wie ne say said in charge of the regional campaigns Dr. Joseph Yamin and the various 16 regional executive committees no ebedin keta ono mo so atete regional campaigns teams I will not just say ye tears in Zunu inti ye bro ami ni aye koko me ba nkomo de no so nkomo we very important state owned enterprise the foundation of Ghana no ko yes say ya ban ene sha ase ebiebie nyuma fi say na afi ne ate yade ho ndi enyuma ne bebre a na manfo nyuma ye na disika backroom na ye
Akoma 87.9 Kumasi
over time Ghana suban ene si bia ye ya aban adwuma no wo na ho akohia se ankora bi e ba beso mene doctor penny bi de nkomo nansi ya dialysis ho nsem e bae doctor penny na futo ba kwa no de ma me pa ne se mintimi ne ye flag bearer nkasa nenka nuclear medicine fire therapy and is dialysis and is no man yem privatize and I make a say yeah flag bearer the way ko share manifesto my ebe party for the bidi kan abon papa ne church ma de ni ma me hu say in fact ke privatize ya and ke be boyam yenya effective health delivery than the ye woman or chair department back be amen body no catch me say sa nipa ye wa hai obeti na chemu 3
Kumasi
e de sa nipa na ye adwuma
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
obenya efficiency sin nipa bebre na e wo ho no but akoya aban de ntino abre bia pressure wa aban so yemfa nipa dina aban fa nipa bebre nti adwuma nipa ba ko betimi aye no bokomuna nipa be ye du ena eye nipa du na ewum no so no with activity level no ubekom na wo form my examples are say if I lab nsensema ya na ekokoso awa ban hospitals a ahodo nyina no obi wo ho a oba na watwe obi sample e wo fie no da ba begina aban lab no mu no de aye no the results na come fie me wa reagents no ye de aban akwakoto aba nipa na ye de man no wontu a hoka no can go see say private sector this cannot happen. And what it tells me is that in some sectors of a human buying the ano privatization bemwa aya nanka eye especially se go ba say ankrankre edie no di adanse say sa di we aban ye bi ankrankre susu ye bi na emo ankrankre die ne ya idimu asin
aban die
na ye di ankrankre edi bemwa nkan say
Akoma FM 87.9
emo kwan aya fa so ayeye no e na o say hwe na emu eda ho so ko say emu ana ho na kresreni mu ko kresreni na say ye bu o man na fa so de anu de ya na e ha dwen kaka a business net in Komoya, yedi. Senate. Yeah, okay. The National Pension Scheme. In the 1991, and President Rawlings Nyame fa ne kanzi. Ohun say,
Akoma
sir,
FM 87.9
pension scheme dada no. E mani pesika wo wi adwuma ya wo di kofie no. Eso especially one more captain no. Me ma mi say we captain ni ye de ne pension chira pa enduru DC 2 months pay. What did they what there over 35 years I could do director of education. On the no. That's so that the pension no in DC 2 months pay there. So Koba say when ya a ma on be so moi. Who yemra was sitting him no. A bear denk.
FM 87.9
So let's hold discussion here a discussion pa. And you can say, yeah, man, be MPP in this discussion.
Yeah, Sally.
Yeah, man, be MPP in discussion, and this discussion, MY.
Yeah.
Ubie nu hawa wie adwuma. Okwa jina ketua ni pension.
Party card.
Ye bisa say we MPP ni. Ana we NDC ni ansana ya de amount. Ndise ye ka senator sama uye adwuma ye ni uye Ghana ni na se daache obekwa ahomgiem na wokwa ahomgiem a na wonim se senator no Rollins Adawroma ababa be ye an insurance institution na President Kufuor in 2008 eye mra edita chire mane she mu kena amanatimi edi mu dia na ye wo dwuma ye ni a wo ye senate contributor no oda chenam se senate sika no ye tifri wo akatua mu.
Yeah.
Wo akatua wo je to say wo say John wo ye adwuma yi wakatua 5.6% almost 6% of salary. Ni yeti o.
Yeah.
Say sika ne ke di ma wa ka bia nka wa ba kwa to baby aboabo no a say 35 years na obey adwuma. Say wa aboabo sika no wo baby say 35 years a ka do be kwa nim. And 5% of salary is oje baby be 2018 5% amaza e wanim.
You want him pa.
Ekwa nim pa. It is aboabo say sika na ni anu sa akokodu 35 years. Wa beti mi na baby. But wo di akokoma adwuma ko bi say onu fa sika no nkoye adwuma. Na fa so mra so. Say de be ya wo ba fie wa homedie mu na wontimi nya adwuma no waye mre no. Sa sika na omode akokoye ensechi ba no ide ya adwuma en fa so aba so no. Ye de bi atuatua okasa wo to amne ma na wo call baby. This our discussion we very very important. Ebio wo san ye adwuma ye wura ana obi a wotu adwuma ye for ka. Wo so wo de o say hia opa because we contribute about 30% of adwuma ye ni na ketua na wasan de ama no. Wo san kotua mu 30% eno nka adwuma ni na ketua no ho. E de kokka sika na ono yo te fi no e wo senate ho. Na de e wo mo say sense no say nkofo be bri ha senate de o makokot say omo contribution for workers na ma ebi adem ebi anwuma gu as a result of that. It is senate nsem kai we enye political football. Eye ade a wo say ye de adwemu fan ni o man ho do ene ayem hyehye ene ye ka ho asem. Na senate no nya na adwuma de ode na adwuma ode akohye mu nkwa ne hotels o. Senate wo adwuma na next pharmaceuticals in senate wo and STC no so yes senate dia. Now wo personate adwuma enkoye kwa senka STC because nana komi on fancy ye
aka
omo abokasa ha into senate adwuma dance ye pa wo mu ne say enkoye STC ndika say ye who say senate adwuma bi enkoye na say beton a yenya yen hwede enkoye ne enton ya dance wo say yen na di dance say we di enkoye no if the justification is say hotels no enkoye enti ye di ma obi a
Akoma FM 87.9
ka de dance di pefe ni STC because all the STC compare VIP ya nkwankora de ya ukozu asafo ene ma STC force ye free adumba asafo obi eso mba asafo odu kra no VIP ni be 10 betime to na STC ba kunyema. What I say? What it means is that there's something VIP is doing right that STC is not doing it. To say isolated, yeah. Why don't we divest that one? Now hotels now, or we was in excess of 190 million Ghana cedis.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Interest.
50 million Ghana cedi there $1. $1 million. What do I say? And what it means is that Labadi Beach Hotel, they have in excess of $7 million sitting in their account. SEC need $10,000 sitting in their accounts. Nenimi you know say senative for there. Next year see justifications about konya there. Baako boyeka. Ade ne yendi kai se umpo ye beba hotel no so. Ade na de adanse ye ho se we die. Emmono yendi kan menu nko.
Akoma FM.
Snit were a lot of investment. Gaza student hostel were taking. Ninya snit for there.
Okay.
Ghana hostels were Legon. Any other Oko Sunyane Takaka University, Snake hostels, Oko Tamale UDS, or Bamos Azibida, maybe Senate guest house, Senate hostels, or Tamale UDS.
Okay,
you see,
yeah,
and clearly, let's not politicize this one. Let's look at Senate Abaye Insurance Institution, and like all insurance bodies, they reinvest contributions of premium payers. Now, Omude. Etimi associate near said they are Ubehia and Brandon Swan. And for me, let's reduce the politics. Let's look at Senate businesses in Yina and its entirety. Privatization is not bad. Privatization is not bad. But let's not do privatization with politically vested interest. Let's do it in a very unbiased, transparent manner. And me say, Senate when you make kubia anymore. Ebon ka de can pay STC. Mu di kan hwe no. Mu fa hotel nto. Yen hwe Senate investments ni nyina no. Na de enya de adanse ye ho no. Yen di kan hwe no. Say mo pase ye de ma. Ne de STC, ne de ma VIP for.
All right.
Ne ye call the next one. Ne we are. Na bibia, let's not politicize this.
Me da say. Jimmy.
Yeah.
Not saying.
Yes, Adom. Egusun kakran.
Great. As I know, so Jimmy, who share so?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And about Christian service and now so program also.
Oh, I've not been invited into. I don't think.
A day.
Yeah, me Christian service.
Now Christian service. Na say Christian service anya 50 years now.
I'm not just an ordinary member. Me Christian service. Me a former member of the University Council. University's academic board. I was an SRC president.
And there was a university in Newton's
I need to be invited. Yes.
I was a university in Newton's.
Yes, they have. Say every SRC president I elect in the is a member of the University Council, and the council is the highest decision-making body of the university. As about management, to also about down. So they have a list of former council members. Whenever the university is undertaking a particular program, the necessary say, the president.
And are you aware, sir, officially I invited
invited people, yeah.
They
do it every time. That means me a student.
No, but me can't.
My
just particular.
My first degree, my second degree. I was an SRC president there. When they are doing program, they invite people.
And I mean, are you aware, sir? The Omuye. Omo inviting Crawford, Omo no me council members.
They will surely invite. They will surely invite members. You see, Maminka Semcho.
Me too.
At times, it's necessary that.
It's
a program be cost officially. You invite you.
Me will be invited me meko. Me person me
because John Mahama na eba. Ndi na woko.
Me because Christian University near public lecture.
Okasadia yetiase. Otiase they've held public lectures several times. But the woman say enye ebia a lecture ebia they think say everybody should come on board. And looking at the auditorium capacity, students don't come put me after
No content, many baby.
What you say? You will go because John Dramani Mahama is coming. But with regards to the anniversary, the 50th anniversary in Ankasa University in EDD, I think so when it gets to the main climax events now, that is where we will go.
Okay.
Not this public lecture once and
I see.
They are by it.
All right. I see. But I mean, now share on this demonstration and run issues around it.
I think my minchia me wafa Zuba. I think say and common you know. Very very important today. Or mine baby I could. Well, was what the can be fine. Ba me say ututu bi guma college ni free bi bo abaso
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
me of Zuba so aka bi say ni say ye this adi we e ya manyosem na e ya na mpimpi na nsem si sisi a ho what we don't do and say ye mbo kontimpon ko ye chi enhwe eneme bia edi kan sisi a na eye similar issues what do you say yeti kruman msi yeti kruman msi the same reasons are snit a putting up for the sale of these 6 hotels the same reason say the ton Kumasi Kitchen Rest House Jamaica what you say NDC tia kunya so oton Kumasi Kitchen Rest House no oton Kumasi de oton Accra de oton Tamale de it didn't know oton what was the reason
oton
well he sold it out and a government hotel what you say it was a government hotel Kumasi Kitchen Rest House NDC ton Accra Kitchen Rest House they sold it that time no what so much on the mama also what on the mama
he was mentioned the current
Kumasi Kitchen Rest House is buying a champion.
Very good. Inti that time na ya buying the al. Moton yen. It be a moton de my private person. It be a moton de my any other entity. And now no why quiet den. What could to free sign pan one? Tiasem you. Institution na a ye catering rest house a yen na yen Kumasi Accra Temalino. A didn't in this city akunya so moton ye. They were Accra. They were Tamale, Kumasi. In addition to that, NDC address Omoton Continental Hotel, Omoton Ambassador Hotel, Omoton Star Hotel, Omoton Atlantic Hotel, Omoton Meridian Hotel.
And was that right? Now,
I'm making me build a foundation.
Build it.
And now, kasi these hotels are a government hotels. NDC address Omoton. Ene nipa na ye kana sem no wakoto saa hotels ni be free enkofo na NDC aban ton de ma o na o ye private individuals no ene wo mo Kumasi Kitchen Rest House eko hokudi o nua ne should tell us say o nua no mo ton ho nye kama o services o provide ho nye kama they should tell us ni enjina so nkase ndie nipa na ene ye see ye ton the current issue hotels ya be dia man onye obi a oyi ni papa e was the hotels no ma ho asena make out here what reason and as abre no NDC di ton Continental Hotel, Ambassador Hotel, Star Hotel, Atlantic Hotel, Meridian Hotel, Catering Rest House, Accra, Kumasi, Tamale. What reason?
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I didn't reason you want the toy. If some reasons no more the toy, the same reasons applies to these current hotels here. You can watch media. Why should we politicize it? Na young bring empekwan be faswa. These hotels and say free say, ye ton profiter a bit me free more banner government share of the profit would even be higher than what we are getting today and the total percentage in your government there. What stops us from selling it? And you can nti sɛ 60% kɔ akɔdi obi hɔ nom na saa nipa no de ne sika hyɛ mu
87.9 Kumasi.
nipa no de ne sika hyɛ mu ama hotel no gyina so such that 40% na aka na ɛyɛ government de ano mpo no profit bi firi mu aba no will be more than say government kuta 100% is it not a good bargain? Yɛyɛ problem nyinaa ne sɛ beauty fracture nipa na wɔtɔn wɔyɛ politician I will belong to the government of the day. But send nipa na no NDC hotels ɔmo tɔn yɛn na me no kase sa hotels de bia kɔdi send nipa no nsɛm a ɔmo manage a yɛn de wo ki krom anim sɛ me kɔ catering house me kɔ kɔdi di a lawyer for ne a judge for mpanifoɔ a ɔmo wɔ Kumasi high court ne adi nyinaa eba na ɔmo didi ɛnɛ
minimo
Kumasi catering house wuni baabi ɛwɔ wuni baabi ɛwɔ ɛnɛ sɛ bia wɔn sɛ hɔ no obi wɔ hɔ no ma bia looking at baabi ɔyɛ adwuma no ɔfine ne aduane a ɛyɛ nice within the area ɔyɛ adwuma ɛno nti na mɛka sɛ minim sɛ the judges ne lawyers ne wuni sɛ ɔmo wɔ ifo n'akyi hɔ no court fo n'akyi hɔ no ma just opposite registrar general ɔkɔ armed forces hɔ no no. Into one more that area there. I'm telling you for a fact. Oh, the area. Mesre se bomodia for us to go and taste their food. Go and look at the services they are providing there. Into the Kenya and say, Osha and some more. And Adeba may have and say, Omo in charge of these PRs, public relations, ne. Omo in charge of the board, ne management. In charge of the snitting. At times they should find the need to come out and communicate to the people. Yes, and I said the statement with 12 Bonti and party communicators as you Monko Chechiri Munamo Mumma Fontias. Oh, here statement are sent for the Abetua Bontia. They could have done a press conference to explain some of these issues to the people. And then I'm and you could to a black one and this if I get to hold that. And then almost so because oh here address ning sema you could to a black one. One word the other our case. But we case now building or the just one of the hotels. And or the building. Now what can be about sika or more down account to where sika or down account to more over a period of 10 years, over a period of 15 years, over a period of 20 years. Your both figure now, you says a figure, a very huge figure. But no great woman is what did fear sending your sika na down account in mono. Sasika no okasa wo di investment and I say okasa wo dis o pump sasika no back into the business now we na. Are you sure say we me send your sasika no back na? And nessa hotels na wo ho no obi kosa okoda ho no ma prices na e dey rooms nim no. We room a now say we share around them pa okoda so the way them we see would you be interested say sasika na ye charge no kwa we tu ya na. That is what we are talking about. So $10 million said them at that company account to Munessa beauty fracture. Me drew hotel honum nasa me read them on as a cent one. There's no way I will sleep there.
Akoma FM 87.
I will tell you our council what our experiences are in many be.
Mean co experience here. But looking at the reasons assassinated the Ababontino, they need to invest into these hotels. I was someone making investment. Senebe ya one more interest to say Ibia me call central region. Ibia me call this particular location and some of these hotels here available. I know can be about VIP STC. You know say STC a government. You know say VIP a private. A day mo be any just say or better VIP bus. Maybe a city now a VIP bus maybe or no better ma obeti me bu atumu now I relax and maybe a city no call through STC a binim. Sa at the end of the end, I be a investment. Say a new be a man to the kind of buses are VIP for you. Oh, a woman no makui latest one maybe 2024 and 2024 no makui latest models of the Begum. Now 18 the any woman, 20 the any woman maybe a makui body was no more spray, they be a moon almost that form of investment. You know, saying to me and be at the public sector in unison. I wanna the people would always tell towards the private side.
Into can
yɛyɛ ka ma na kɔsi nyinaa ne sɛ yɛmpɛ na yɛmfa ne ways and means at the private public institutions no yɛbɛtumi improve services that you provide no ɛna me ne woka sɛ wonim sɛ passport initially na 100 Ghana cedis wɔn de kɔɔ 400 Ghana cedis as 500 Ghana cedis no ɛna me ne woka sɛ wobuku sɛ wobakɔtwa na wotwa picture no wie within a week na wo sa account passport. When they increase the prices now, one of the reasons why they told us some increase the prices machines and then some machines that if we want them to improve and increase the capacity of service or more provided them they need to buy new machines. And now no cause you go there within 1 week on account passport. If you on 3 days, no account passport. And your DB our person the coins are the emergency in as soon as possible. We between your passport and the acquire. And clearly, ubia na wakucha passport or anas wakucha picture or the passport you booking and I see a dinner time now the benya passport no equation china. Omu nyinaa no omu booking ya chine nyinaa ba ni mu a ebibiri akwa clear omu de omu twa wi omu saka passport. So if you are able to put in place the necessary mechanisms, services now you provided the amount for, say it may improve no, at the public sector. I'm telling you for a fact, people will get on board and make sure say, omu best subscribe to that some of these services and products are government and it provided. Let me say this finally.
Okay.
Where and I'm telling you for a fact.
Yeah.
Say a different company be a distributor fracture, a private, a provided electricity. Don't you think can be move from ECG?
Akoma FM.
They will move.
87.9.
I didn't know move because I am monopoly. In a situation whereby a market no a monopoly, hey, uko benkume enye uko ni fe enye no. They will keep quiet, they will complain, and they will stick to your services. What you say? That is some of the reasons why your public institutions no say you per se ejina ne naso na ye na de omanfo epe ene niam mo hwehwe ene de ompeso mo hunu ankasa in some of these public institutions agencies no say se bita frafrache yan ton 100% impo na se be ton percentage bi ana se be flow to shares na ye nyesika de ewurema ye ni ye ama mfaso abem ama ye nya bi dia ye juma. I believe say I are the best. Then say be hold on din say a public a public na hearing. For so send the free mobile. I nye bi idea impuntu juma because me tia me pempuntu o be amete. Me pe school adan me pe hospitals me pa kwan. Say you bet me flew to some of the shares. It be a percentage and I say be a beton na say emfaso be baso dia ma man na me yetumi akoanima.
We should go ahead.
Sir John.
Zuba.
Nkoma na me offer say Odi. Politics on command Odi. City Hotel, Kumasi City Hotel.
Akoma FM 87.9.
West House, Meridian Hotel ni Intercontinental ene nyina no. Ne edwuma kwa na hweso no. Ne efe on State Hotels Corporation. State Hotels Corporation. Intercontinental no. President Kufuor buy oton e Golden Tulip. Okay. No better on City Hotel. Willing to live Kumasi. And we just shares in the Bimagana. But what is this for a demonstration? What is a demonstration of good into? What is a demonstration of Omaton Taconeta Hotel? Okay. The Akaya, nay, good into the shares in a Kuva was Antoine. Emma Medane Lancaster. Yeah, who did it? So the discussion is not about Kumasi catering West House. There was State Hotels Corporations in Sama. Na my in dividends are. Na yenya to say the City Hotel. No State Hotels Corporation. President Kufuor oh nya dividends na oton ye no. Obi ane na nkotoka. Country West House here we are alcohol. It is not as vibe me because schools they lie. It ever do more than there. Minim bibia. What the point na say? State to go to Lupia Country West House here. They may matter say by the chamber.
87.9 Kumasi.
It is not that hey and got pink and rollers. Some call babin saloon. Omatu. It is not as viable. What's the point I'm making? 80, and I started discussion. Make sure say nobody is against privatization because clearly there are some state institutions in Bia. And we're buying some, and my esika. But the Emma esika ni there. Who catch us the Emma esika no? And now there's something wrong with you. Say, Labadi Beach Hotel was bet them for 10 years. A insurance company it's every year be at the end of your financial year you pay dividends.
87.9.
It is the Canada comes in just car down for 10 years. Every year they pay dividend. The essence of Senate investing their money is to get money to pay for workers pensions. It is the Canada Labadi Beach Hotel Benya Enyabiano over a year period. So if over 1 year period somebody has 190 million cedis sitting in their accounts. By the close of 31st December, they are supposed to pay dividends to SNETs. How do you tell me that company is not viable? So, it's not about Abaya Waton BBO. It's about story now with the Mayeno.
Akoma FM.
Story now with the Mayeno. NCCN, SNET has over 50 investments. SNET. Over 50 investments for Ghana. Because insurance company, be all this commander. On first can into what the quiet Juma. It is not the can nobody call quiet Juma. As we speak, Professor Ajima Mensah, at time as Minister for Western Housing, and on the Asoramambo, Afraba as a Senate. Senate and everybody that goes there purchases money, and Senate the only interest at also. Then the money goes back to Senate. That's an investment. They say, community 18, but man or whatever. A similar arrangement was made. The money goes back to Senate. Senate tells you about flats. People purchase them. It goes back to Senate. And the idea of insurance, and they say, "Me first can near you, man. Never misika." Said the bear only or doing sika beto and a bro or semi tia one sika mom no more quadrim. And that is what we are saying. It is not about diversity. The discussion is not about diversity. And privatizing state institutions to become private owned or privately owned. The discussion is about the insurance company na invest there manisika near trust a boyeka. One insurance company no investment ya dance here or say MD boyeka. That's what I'm saying. I dance here all pay fair say time and you ma don ko be so STC mono. Omuja profit. Emanana Akoma be ye managing director for STC. Ofe you ma don ko SLBT no. Publicly obi ehun. Oh, na bresu eniema akwatia STC and I'm telling you that ebia na nya na Akoma na wo ha ka ebia ka be west. What I say? And no man ekutiam to the extent that recently the president appointed the deputy managing director bio ma workers no kwa agite adwuma ye hunu so. Also kwa appointed managing director. So clearly back what so adanse ye wo ho. Omo basis nya ye dada. VIP we omo to basis mo no. E na basis ye dada. One na for there. It may say Senate adwuma no be a Senate investment. They hear more pa edi kan ye STC. So why we bypassing that one? Na the ema ye sika ni mumu no. Okay. And then they say eboyeka. Now obi akwa acting manager or the same institution ni mu. Now acting manager no odi pay that o adwuma na mu. No sa ko he ba akoso be ka so mumu wa hai. Say anti-force ni ho. Nye you obi free nkran say o mehwa 3 months a. Nyani pay na no beje.
No no beje.
Ni koko tuane $3,000 plus other allowances. No over a period 6 months no. Ni para di be 20,000 ka tell say wo baka.
Zuba ma yemfansi na mema menua Jimmy ya rap abia.
Yes. On say enkomo na yidi no. So se utie ni ye pa. Eya kwa iti say oh a brine in tea. They make what you see. But you see, the Indian mom position. I must say the process.
How more branding?
Marble process. What you see? No, me kasa. And you say the kind of hanko. No.
They say
I'm making reference to the press conference and the demonstration statement.
Second bite,
and I'm not even talking about that.
My second bite a indirect response to trying. My catcher said I didn't mean find politics, but my second coming was to directly respond to, who try to make it look political. Say, and this is the way my, and you do it my, and I might show you before the man. We didn't wait.
All right.
This is one that is owned by an insurance company, and evidence is say. Ejumani viable. Me last 2 years I went to Labadi. For the past 2 years I haven't been there. Last 2 years I slept at Labadi. When Kilipili came to Ghana, I slept at Labadi.
May I say, Jimmy,
as I'm an American, you say, Obetimi akase bia. I'm not referencing what he's saying, but the Miss Mitchell say, say, their problem is that Uti Raukuji to a black one. So. And some now wakan, what the yin aswa enyi. All because say your tongue party no, your tongue hotel no, and the ama brine. So forgetting say, and Yerezuba Krano, he made reference to that to say a munda ho. Pacho de Amikamati as here. So okay, say munda honma. Then it means to say, until I make say, more the PR unit this net no, they are not also being active when it comes to the work that they are supposed to do, relatively to how to communicate information. A quite so na mo fire, at the end of the day, most selected brand. So sourcing ana. A Germany decided send the main call, make tam Rock City. I brand the anime farmer or mona. That was not the issue. Companies are big pacho. Companies are kabo moi. 15 consulting firms are one more ekabo more selected. Rock City no. KPMG count. Cornerstone Capital Advisors count. Sem Capital account. IC Securities account. SIC Financial Services account, Veritas Capital account, Strategic African Securities account, Chapel Hill, Denham, Ghana account. All this came together.
So in effect,
more bar forward ebe bidi ye. More bar forward ebe ye bidi no. Na yaw ado account, na luxury account, na. Maybe no.
So Jimmy, in the release,
so companies are omo buy no omo be
due diligence. BBR was done.
Very good.
Okay.
Omo buy omo disika. We be your friend was sika sen na office obetimi ya behye mu no. Nipa anasa company ana ni sika wo soro no. Was Rock City. Due diligence was done. Unless say you percent you create the impression say ebia the right thing has been done.
All right.
Now you can say aban no town hotels. I have given you a list of hotels.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Hotels are kufa breast or ton ya.
Mankashe.
They criminal prosecution very intent.
Okay.
First intent. Adwempa wo de ton ade no. Wo de di bone no. Eti me focus is see no. Ewo adwen a senetefo dia omo se omo de to. Omo se adwuma ni nye viable.
All right.
Ena adansi abase adwuma ni ye viable. Eni omo senete adwuma.
All right. Okay. I was saying my effort made in here. Na Tony Besamba, you wrote Tony Bremuma. Yenye birthdays ba kumienu. Nana ya yenye na yenko yenye birthdays yenko. Happy birthday to Benzel Asari Fosu Jr. He's 12 years today. Happy birthday to you, Denzel Asari Fosu Jr. You're 12 years today. Happy birthday to you. Go school Divine Emmanuel Academy is in class 6 with your father Michael. I wish you happy birthday. Birthday to Macbella. Today is your birthday, Macbella. We free. Nanesi Pure FM. I wish you Macbella special birthday. And then to Kingsley Oforiba Queen. Zenith Bank. Happy birthday to you. Elizabeth Owusu Ansa, aka Mother, Womansha South, and Africa Calvary, Okwaso Calvary Methodist Church, Akoma. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. From Yao Gerardo, Ashanti Regional PRO for Food and Drugs Authority. And then last one to Letitia Ajeman, emergency nurse, from your parents and siblings. I'm wish you a special birthday. Happy birthday to you.
If you know me.
Yeah.
Birthday memo kese.
Okay.
Me kumuni.
Okay.
Was I a lawyer?
Oh, okay. I see.
And was I a senior so secondary school? Lawyer Evans Amankwa.
Oh.
Unyade amene na de kuvi.
All right.
Unyaka ufa nipa kutuwe vidi abuwa.
All right.
Na nyankopo nti bio yibi ayana ye nkunimdie.
All right.
We mdi follow ya kasi ya wabimpa yipa wasantema ntema na juma die edanso.
Okay.
Nti na wudi na wudei.
Nyamishra.
Na se nana no ma dance samafo nta.
Eni na chi. Okay. That's
it.
All right. Thank you, Abu Shamidini, Sir John. Tony Best, take you over with Akoma. Have a nice day.
All I do is to keep it real and cool. What I cannot do, I no go do.